At wag na nating patagalin pa, tawagin na natin ang bukod tanging Fritz Mentor Wife, ang ating host for tonight. Walang iba kundi si Miss Tet Kudyamat Lim.
Hello! Welcome again to the Real Estate Invest in Bacolod! Naku naman, napakadami nating, alam nyo, memories dito sa lugar ng Bacolod. Pero bago ang lahat, alam ko, gusto ko muna kayong batiin sa buong mundo. Siyempre pa, shout out sa mga taga Negros Occidental dahil pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang kapital ng inyong lugar, which is Bacolod. Shout out sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na ngayon ay nakapag-antabay. Maaring wala kayo sa oras ng trabaho. Walang trabaho ngayon, kaya maraming salamat. At sa mga manunood po mamaya ng replay at sa mga na-forward po itong video na ito at maaring kayo ay maging interesado sa Bacolod. Thank you for watching and we are really welcoming you to Negros Occidental, Bacolod. Ayan. So, dito po sa Pilipinas ay masarap na hapunan ngayon ang kinakain ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Pilipinas. At sa Asia, of course, nakita ko may taga-Japan, may Singapore, ayan. Of course pa naman, sa Middle East ay nagme-merienda. Tama, nagme-merienda sila kasi ngayong oras na to ay usually mga 3 p.m. Yan. At samantala naman sa Europa ay eksaktong pananghalian. Naku, Diyos ko, nakakalito itong mga oras na ito. Pero I'm very sure na marami sa inyo ang makakapanood nitong storya ng Bacolod. At ano bang meron para sa mga taga-Bacolod? Ano na ang development sa Bacolod? Diyan! Pero dahil sa kayo ay nangangain sa mga oras na ito, nagme-merienda, di ba? Meron muna akong ipapaalala sa inyo. Alam nyo ba na ang Bacolod ay kilalang kilala kapag pinag-usapan ang anong pagkain sikat ang Bacolod? Anong pagkain? Anong pagkain yan? Sige nga. Hulaan nga natin. Type nga kayo, chat kayo dyan. Pag sinabing Bacolod, yung mga taga-Negros dyan, may taga-Negros, ano mga sikat na pagkain sa inyo? Ano mga sikat na pagkain sa Bacolod? Diyos ko. Alam niyo po ba kami ay nagpunta sa Bacolod at hanggang ngayon hindi ko makalimutan ang mga inuwi ko sa aming bahay dito sa Alabang nung kami nagpunta ng Bacolod. Unang-una na dyan ang... Yan, tama si Sir Ringo. Yan, may inasal daw, sabi ni Sir Ringo. May sansribal, inasal. Oh, grabe, no? So, ano pa meron dyan? Batchoy, tama po, meron ding batchoy dito. Meron ding batchoy. Meron ding, naku, ito pa masarap. Yung piyaya. Piyaya ba yan? O piya? Piyayang ube. Naku, napakasarap. Ano pa sabi nila? Piyaya, ano pa ang mga kinakain natin dito? Meron din dyan sikat na ano pa. Nako, eto talaga, the most unforgettable. Di yan pala sa Bacolod, may trivia ako sa inyo. Super, kapag kayo ay pumunta ng Bacolod at naghanap kayo ng Chicken Inasal restaurant, kailangan po kayo ay nakakamay kapag kumakain. Sobra talaga. Nako, Diyos ko, naalala ko ang mga sausawang napakasarap. Ang mga kamatis, sibuyas at kung ano-ano pang side dish. At ang mga umuusok kahit na mainit. Sige, sabayan nyo kami ng kain ng mga usok na yan. Yan ang mga sikat na pagkain sa Bacolod. Grabe. Ito na. Napoleones. Tanda ko yan. No? Ang daming nag-uwi, ang daming dessert. Diba? Ito yung mga delicacies ng Bacolod. Yan. Kumain tayo dyan sa Kelia Cakes. Ama, ay favorite ko po ang piyaya, sabi ni Miss Gina from Dubai. From Israel, chicken inasal, kansi. Yan, siguro, ano yung kansi? At syempre pa, ang dami ring seafood sa Bacolod. Syempre naman, ito naman ay napapalibutan ng dagat, no? Kaya naman po, kapag ka nga po sa pinakamaganda na nga yatang vacation immersion program, isa sa pinakamaganda, ang pagpunta sa Bacolod. Dahil, isipin mo may 100 kaming pumunta doon, pero sobrang mura ng aming tanghalian doon sa restaurant na yan. O, di ba? Sinong nakakaalala? Shout out salamat sa mga kasama ko nagpunta ng Bacolod. Mamaya ipapakita ko ang picture, okay? Pero meron akong tapos na ba ating mga seafood galore? Yan. Meron ako ipapagawa sa inyo, ha? Meron ako ipapagawa. Ayan, 5 million na ang nanonood sa atin sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat. Meron ako ipapagawa, which is very important bago tayo magsimula. Please nga, please, tumawa kayo. Yung pinakamagandang tawa. Kunwari kayo lumalabas dito sa camera, sa screen. O, tawa ha. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Ayan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil ang Bacolod ay tinaguriang the city of smile. Ayan, ako inunahan ako ng slide. Tatanungin ko sana sila. Wala na, ilabas mo na. Ang City of Bacolod po ay tinaguriang the City of Smile dahil sa Mascara Festival nila. Yan! Ako, napakaganda, napaka-colorful. No? Mamaya, titingnan natin. Live na live, ang ating mga bisita is from Bacolod. Tingnan natin kung talagang all smile sila. Di ba? Kasi yung pinagmamalaki ng Bacolod. Pag hindi sila all smile, tapusin na natin ang programang ito. Joke! Okay, bilisan na natin. Ito, hindi ko rin makakalimutan sa Bacolod. No? Bago tayo pumunta sa landmark, ipakita natin itong mga taong ito na sadyang nag-enjoy. Sadyang nag-enjoy na nagpunta sa Bacolod. Itong may 100 mahigit na mga overseas Filipino noong year 2017. Nasaan ang mga picture? Nasaan ang mga picture nila? Nung kami nagpunta sa Mambukal at inakyat namin ang may 8 falls ba yan? Naku, ayan! Naku! Shout out sa mga nakarating ng Bacolod, sa Mambukal. Ang napakasaya nating bitbitan ng pakwan, ng tubig. Ayan, naku, marami nakaka-reminisce dito. Diba, yung mga sumama dyan. Okay. Yan, inakyat po namin ang 7 Falls. At yan po ay sikat na sikat dito sa bayan ng Bacolod City. Okay, bilisan natin. Ano pa ang sikat? Ano pa ang sikat sa Bacolod? Walang iba kung hindi ang... Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Very beautiful. Very close to nature. Etong vacation immersion program na ito na ginawa namin sa Bacolod, I think 2 years ago. 2 years ago, no? Inikot natin yung lahat ng probinsya sa Luzon. Nandiyan din yung The Ruins na napakaganda. Parang ang sarap romantic date doon sa The Ruins. And napakaganda, na-amaze ako. Akala ko bumalik ako ng Italy. Napakaganda ng kanilang Bacolod City Hall. Taas noo ang mga taga Bacolod sa ganda ng inyong City Hall. Tinalo ang City Hall ni Mayor Isko dito sa Maynila. Yan. Okay. So that is Bacolod, the City of Smile. And then the Ruins. Okay? So shoutout muli sa lahat ng mga taga Negros Occidental. Ito ay para sa inyong lahat. Ang gabing ito ay handog namin upang magkaroon kayo ng idea. Ano bang meron na pwedeng, di ba, investment dito sa City of Bacolod, the City of Smile. At una nating tatawagin ngayong gabi, of course, we are very fortunate dahil in times of pandemic, di ba, napaka-importante sa ating mga Pilipino na nangingibang bansa ang malaman ano namang kaganapan sa aking lugar, ano namang kaganapan dito sa mga proyekto sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Isipin nyo naman, ang lalayo nyo, di ba? But here we are, the Freedom Business, di ba? Bringing you to the City of Bacolod. Live na live ngayong gabi. Makakausap nyo po ang Assistant Vice President and Territorial Branch Manager of Bacolod. Grabe naman itong mga guests natin. Super, super, super ang ating guest. At thank you so much sa Philinvestland Incorporated, our partner in the real estate side, developer, for more than 60 years. Talaga naman pong napakatibay ng ating business developer nito. Without further ado, our AVP and Territorial Branch Manager, let's all welcome Mr. Phil Kalumpang. Yan, palakpakan natin si Sir Phil.
Hi po.
Hi, Sir Phil.
Hi,
Batiin
good
mo
evening,
naman napakainit dito. Uminit nung lalo nung pumasok si Sir Phil.
Oh,
Sir Phil, it's all
yun
of
ba?
you. In front of you are the overseas Filipinos all over the world. Nakita mo naman ang binati natin, di ba? Sila yung mga representative natin ng mga kababayan sa iba-ibang parte ng mundo. So, batiin mo naman sila. First time ka nilang makita.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Salamat po sa invitation. It's our honor to be part of the show. Kung okay sana, palagi kaming iniimbita kasi we're really excited on spreading the good news of Philinvest, no? Especially, we are promoting the projects of Philinvest in the City of Smiles sa Bacolod. Really, I'm so excited, ma'am. So, let me know what's next. Ako palang una, no? Hindi pala si Mai. Anyway, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to everyone.
Sir Phil Kalumpang. Yes, Sir Phil Kalumpang is White Territorial Branch Manager because he is not only handling Bacolod, but he's also handling Iloilo and Dumaguete at siya ay makakasama natin sa ating paggagala sa mga lugar na ito. Diba, Sir Phil?
Yes. Pero Bacolod mo na yung ano natin, May pag-uusapan din tayo sa Iloilo tsaka pero Bacolod muna tayo. Kasi I'm excited to tell you the good news of Bacolod.
So Sir Phil, simulan na natin. Ano ba ang good news mong dala para sa ating mga kababayang Pinoy sa abroad?
Yeah.
Yan, simulan natin Sir Phil. The floor is yours.
Sure. Actually, what we did for during the COVID, we did not stop working. We made sure that we made changes that will have a very good impact for our investors, for our friends, for our sellers, for our stakeholders, for everybody that is invested in Philinvest. No, during the COVID, we made sure that our leadership on the Visayas remains very significant. Now, let me just discuss on the outside Cebu. Which is outside Cebu, meaning we're talking about Dumaguete, Bacolod, and Iloilo. No, we are doing our best to give you significant projects. Although we're kind of low key, but during the pandemic, we made sure that we make significant progress. Kasi during pandemic, we cannot stop. We cannot stop working. So we continue on working to make sure that our products are up to the standard of our mga kababayans na trying to invest, and putting their hard-earned money to good use. No, so shall we go to the slide already so we can So basta yung namin yung good news namin for everyone is that the project in Bacolod is moving that fast already. Unlike in the previous years, we made sure that there will be very, very significant development that you can see. Now, for more than 60 years, Philinvest have already developed more than 2,500 hectares of land. That's an equivalent of 600,000 square meters of prime offices, residential, and retail spaces. Si Philinvest kasi loves to develop properties that give significant contribution to the community. In fact, in Bacolod, there's over 50 hectares of property. In Iloilo, we have a project there that's almost done, and we're looking for properties that will significantly boost our presence in the area, as well as Dumaguete City. So there, next slide, please. Philinvest is pretty much into developing sprawling developments where residential, commercial, business, and leisure developments converge, enriching the lives with countless opportunities and full access to modern conveniences. We call it community kasi si Philinvest. For you to be confident with your investment in our projects is that we'd rather build a community so that yung unang bili mo pa lang, hindi pa ginawa yung commercial, medyo kampante ka na yung binili mo is tataas yung value as the years go by. Kasi hindi lang siya tataas ng value ng dahil sa patagal ng panahon, but as we go along we build malls, we build hotels along the projects that we do. So PhilInvest really cares for our investors. Next slide, please. So dito sa PhilInvest, no, solid ang future nyo. We promise, we are committed to make sure that our projects are up to the standards and to make sure that your future is solid. Yun. Thank you. Thank you.
So thank you, Sir Phil. So after the discussion of our business developer, real estate developer, PhilInvest, yan. So Sir Phil, alam ko may kasama ka ngayong gabi kasi si Sir Phil is the territorial branch manager. So 3 areas ang hawak niya. But tonight, Sir Phil, kasama mo din ang mismong branch manager ng Bacolod. Tama, Sir Phil?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm
Sir
broadcasting
Phil, kasama mo rin ang napakagandang branch manager ng Bacolod.
Yeah. Our branch manager from Bacolod. Actually, I just want to mention that I'm broadcasting from Dumaguete and our branch manager is located in Bacolod. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mai Goles.
Good evening, each and everyone.
Ayun.
Ayan.
Hello po.
Yan na, sinasabi natin, live from Bacolod. Welcome, Miss Mai Goles. Alam niyo na, nakita ko si Miss Mai, parang na-reminis ko nung nag-host ako sa, ano ba to, yung sa Channel 4. Di ba, may artista na host, si Miss Diane Medina. Sabi ko, parang familiar to. Pero hindi siya Diane Medina kasi sa Bacolod niya. Ito talaga ang napakagandang branch manager ng Bacolod. So, thank you, Sir Phil. Thank you so much. We'll go now to, since si Miss Mai Goles is really from Bacolod, right, Miss Mai? Live
Yes,
na
ma'am.
live ka dyan ka sa Bacolod.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here in Bacolod po.
So, dugong Bacolod ka talaga? Taga dyan ka talaga sa Bacolod?
Yes, born and raised in Bacolod.
Ganyan ba kami, Miss Tisa, ang mga taga Bacolod talaga? O, social pala naman itong mga taga Bacolod.
Yes, ma'am. Joke.
At totoong the city of smile sila kasi ang ganda ng ngiti ng branch manager natin. Pwede mo ba
Thank you
sila
po.
pag-itin sa language nyo? Kasi alam ko iba yung lingwahe nyo, di ba?
Yes, mayong gabi sa mga taga Bacolod. That's
Ayun.
good evening. Good evening po yun.
Ayun. Sige, Miss Mai. So cute naman si Miss Mai. Excited kami about your news about ano bang update sa Bacolod, di ba? Knowing na simula ng pinanganak ka hanggang ngayon, andyan talaga ang iyong buhay. So give us an update. Why should I invest in Bacolod? So Miss Mai, good luck. And we are
Thank you.
very happy that you are with us tonight. Yeah.
Okay po. Thank you po for the opportunity. Okay, can we go to the first slide? Why invest in Bacolod? Bacolod is the capital of the province of Negros Occidental in the Philippines. It is known as the City of Smile because of its Mascara Festival, a Mardi Gras-like festival, mix of dance, color, and music. The colorful festival was celebrated as a diversion from the series of tragedies experienced by the Negrenses 2 decades ago. The Negrense then came up with the Mascara Festival and reinvention Bacolod as the City of Smile, not in denial with the defiance of adversity. Land of sweet people. Because of its culinary heritage, which boasts a gastronomic delight, not to mention being the home of the biggest sugar production in the Philippines. Best place to live. In 2008, Bacolod topped a survey by Money Sense magazine by the best place to live in the Philippines. The city has been declared by the Department of Science and Technology as a center of excellence for information technology and business process management operation. In 2017 and 19, Bacolod was awarded as the top Philippine model city in most livable urban center in the Philippines by the Manila Times. Next slide. Okay, why is the city the #1 choice to live and invest? For the peace and order, there are so many reasons to love Bacolod. Though second to Cebu in terms of population, in the Visayas, the city has a low crime rate and manageable traffic conditions. Weather can be hot or cold, But Bacolod rarely suffers from natural calamities such as earthquakes, storms, and floods. As per the Provincial Peace and Order Council and Provincial Anti-Drug Council, an approved budget of 87 million for various program and activities for 2020. For being competitiveness, adding more feathers in a cap, Bacolod bagged 2 more awards, this time for being the most competitive, highly urbanized city in Western Visayas. Last 2019, the city was recognized for topping 2 of our 4 pillars for economic dynamism and infrastructure. In the third recognition ceremony for a competitive local government units in Iloilo. Our city mayor said in the statement, the recognition shows that Bacolod has an improvement for conducive for businesses to grow. For efforts to make the city business friendly are now reaping its fruits. In September 2019, Bacolod was awarded the top Philippine model city by the Manila Times, and in October, the city also received a special citation in the most business-friendly LGU Awards for the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Next is strategic location and tourist attraction. The Mascara Festival is one of the reasons why Bacolod gained the nickname the City of Smiles and continues to be the hotspot for expats and travelers abroad. The city is filled with warm people, an interesting mix of urban and rural landscapes, and slower pace of lifestyle. If you're visiting Bacolod, you try to visit the Negros Museum, the Capitol Lagoon, and also the churches like the Church of the Angry Christ and Bacolod Cathedral. And also you can visit the Talisay City and marvel the ruins, which is one of the most famous attractions. For the low cost and of doing business and ease of doing businesses. For those who want to live outside the metro, Bacolod is one of the alternative place to settle in. Bacolodnans has a lower cost of living compared to Cebu and Manila. Bacolod City has long been recognized as the key investment destinations outside Metro Manila. This has also resulted in the redevelopment of the city property sector, attracting national players to have extensive experience in building integrated communities that offers office, residential, hotel, and retail projects. Today, Bacolod is flourishing in terms of real estate. Many established developers have started to invest here to create modern condominiums, subdivisions, and hotels. As the City of Smiles continue to develop in the coming years, let us hope that Bacolod's rich character will culture and continue to preserve amidst the modern environment. Despite the rich history, the city appears to accept new changes, especially ones that are made for the better. Lastly, for the responsive and forward-looking government, local government. Focusing on what was happening today, the Department of Interior and Local Government, the Region 6, recently cited Bacolod City and Negros Occidental for their best practices in responding for the novel corona pandemic. Lauding a number of innovative measures the local government units has been implementing. Among these innovations, there are country's first ever biosafe swab mobile sampling unit that can roam around the city to minimize the risk of exposure of our medical frontliners to the novel coronavirus when collecting the samples. And to add up also, I would like to mention Talisay City, our Futura Palm Estate project location. It is the home of the Minuluan Festival. The city is geographically located between the city of Silay and Bacolod, around 7 kilometers away from the provincial capital Lagoon, and as the first city going to the north of Bacolod. It is where the affluent Ilonggo settle. Today, Talisay is also famous for ruins, known to be the Taj Mahal of the Philippines. They have preserved its ruined state amidst the operational farmland and as a tourist attraction that can be visited for a free or hired for events. And lastly, the new development in Talisay, just last month, after more than a year of waiting, there is 135 million Negros Occidental Language Information Technology Center will soon be into reality. It's a technical vocational institution registered by TESDA. And as per the governor, the project will be completed within 2 years' time. And for the mayor, this development will advance our aim to make Talisay the next smart city that will not only benefit the Talisaynon, but also the entire people of Negros Occidental. That's all for the introduction of Bacolod.
Wow! parang ngayon naman gusto ko na sa Bacolod. Ganun, ang dami namang award ng Bacolod. Very,
Yes.
naman, informative. I was surprised na ganyan pala kaganda ang Bacolod, no? And we experienced going to Bacolod, and it's really very unforgettable kasi ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng lugar ninyo. And hindi siya ganun kamahal. O, diba?
Yes.
Kaya overseas Filipino kapag umuwi at gusto nyo manirahan dito sa Bacolod, nako, mura lang ang bilihin dyan. Miss Mai, dito ba sa Bacolod, meron na ba dito mga BPO or call center? Ano yung usual na trabaho dyan or business na meron?
Yes, ma'am. For the BPO, almost 6 BPOs company na are already in Bacolod.
Okay. Pero ang main occupation dyan, ang main business ng Bacolod, parang tanda ko ang daming mga sugarcane na pinagdadaan.
Yes, sugarcane po.
Hanggang ngayon, di ba?
Yes, ganun pa rin.
Ganun pa din siya. Okay. So, kung meron po kayong katanungan regarding Bacolod, so hit it on kasi nandito live na live ang branch manager ng Bacolod office ni Philinvestment Incorporated. No? So yung office natin doon ay nasaan ba? Nasa
Lacson Street. 25th to 26 Lacson Street. Josmon Building. Dito lang talaga sa the middle of the city lang po.
Ayun, yun pa rin yung kauna-unahang office.
Ay, hindi na po. Nag-transfer na tayo.
Okay.
Pero Lacson pa rin. This is the same street.
Sa Lacson pa rin. Sige,
Yeah.
Miss Mai, hopefully matanda namin lahat ng award ng Bacolod. Patalo si Bacolod. Taas noo, shout out mga taga Negros Occidental, mga taga Bacolod. Mabuhay kayo dahil ang ganda-ganda pala ng Bacolod naman. Kasing ganda na nagsasalita ngayon. Di ba?
Thank you po.
Okay, Miss Mai Goles, the branch manager, also brought with us tonight ang isa sa kanyang kasamahan na tumutulong dito sa ating project sa Bacolod. Miss Mai, can you introduce our next speaker? Pero nasa Bacolod din siya, di ba, Miss Mai?
Si Miss Marian?
Yes?
I think nasa Cebu siya.
Okay, sa Cebu siya. So Miss Marian
Humawad. Yeah, our product development manager.
Ayan,
for Futura.
Yan. So talaga palang nasa Bacolod ngayon, na live. Itong ating bisita ngayon na si Miss Mai Goles, di ba? So our next visitor for tonight is no other than Miss Marian Humawad, di ba? The Project Development Officer of Bacolod Project of Philinvestland. But I think we are having some technical problem. Alam niyo naman po sa Pilipinas, tag-ulan. Kaya pala ako nagtataka kasi kanina pinagmamalaki nyo na yung Bacolod ay IT center, may ganyan development. Pero sabi ko, bakit mahina ang internet dito kung nasaan man si Miss Marian? Si Miss Marian pala ay nasa Cebu. So, Miss Marian, can you try to greet? Hindi na po siya magpapakita sa inyo kasi tinry na kanina magpakita sa screen, lalong bumabagsak yung internet. So, Miss Marian, can you try to greet them? So, hindi kaya ni Miss Marian? Hindi kaya ni Miss Marian. So, try nga natin si Miss Marian. Ano kaya to? Miss Marian, Prince, Joseph, yung ating mga backroom boys, anong gagawin natin? Hindi ba kaya? Nalalaglag ba siya? So Miss Mai or Sir Phil, can you try calling Marian sa cellphone kung live na live kasi to, di ba? Kita-kita niyo mga technical difficulties, especially nag-uulan yata sa Cebu ngayon.
Baka pwede po natin siyang i-loudspeaker na lang through cellphone. Kung sino po ang pwedeng mag-call sa kanya. Yung habang nagpe-present siya through cellphone, possible.
Pwede ba siyang tawagan sa cellphone? To let us know ba't bigla siya nawala, natakot siya. Ayan ako, shoutout muna tayo habang inaayos nyo, Prince. So Sir Phil, Miss Mai, can we try calling her muna? Tawagan niyo muna siya sa cellphone niya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tinatawagan na talaga naman. Alam mo naman dito naman sa sa Pilipinas po, ayan ang challenge, yung ating internet. Pero pinagmamalaki ng Bacolod, malakas ang internet sa kanila, kaya si Miss Mai andyan pa rin sa harap natin. Okay. So, habang ginagawa ng paraan ang ating next guest na makapag-present sa atin ng Bacolod Project, panoodin muna natin, Miss Mai, yung daladala yung video para sa ating mga kababayan sa iba-iba't parte ng mundo. Okay, let's watch this. Ito ay AVP ng Bacolod Project natin.
Metro Bacolod, a cosmopolitan capital, easily accessible by land, air, and sea. Where both commerce, nature, and culture flourish. Palm Estates by Philinvest. Within the pulse of Metro Bacolod comes Palm Estates, a sprawling 51-hectare mixed-use development, where life's conveniences, perks, and inspirations are within reach. All for you to enjoy with loved ones. Your future home awaits. Live in this peaceful community with smart value homes fit for a fresh start. A vibrant and modern lifestyle awaits. Palm Estates by Philanthropist.
Ayan! Hello, Miss Mai. Napakaganda talaga ng ating proyekto sa Bacolod and I'm excited na sana ay wala ng technical difficulty sa internet. But habang pinapanood natin yung AVP, I was watching itong mga nagchat-chat na mga nakaantabay sa atin ngayon. Shout out naman sa lahat ng mga kababayang Pinoy sa iba-ibang parte ng mundo. Yan, ako. Hindi ko akalain madami palang mga overseas Filipino na taga Bacolod. Kasi ang daming nagchat dito. I'm proud to be from Bacolod. Parang gano'n. Si Miss Leia Raspe, Linda Raspe, at marami pang iba. So, congratulations sa lahat ng mga taga Bacolod, yung po mga investors natin na meron na investment dito sa Bacolod. Maraming salamat at congratulations sa inyong investment na ito. At alam ko na gusto niyo pang malaman ang mga updates dito sa ating proyekto. Marami po silang inihanda sa inyo, di ba, Miss Mai?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready na ba ang
Yeah, ready na si Miss Marian.
Okay. So thank you so much, Miss Mai. See you again. We hope that we will be able to bring many overseas Filipino diyan sa lugar mo sa Bacolod. At makabalik kami muli at makakain ng Mang Inasal.
Ma'am, see you po. Thank you so much po, ma'am, for the opportunity.
Thank you. So we will see you again later on our question and answer or kung meron pang mga katanungan po kayo regarding Bacolod. So just chat at kukunin po namin yung inyong mga tanong and we'll ask them later. So thank you, Miss Mai. Let's welcome Miss Marian. Hi, Miss Marian. So I know na hindi po natin na siya makikita kasi po mawawala ang internet niya. So, Miss Marian, pwede ka na pong magsimula. The Project Development Officer of the Palm Estates, Talisay City, Bacolod.
Ayun.
Ayan. Hello?
Hello?
Yan, very good. Diyos ko, pinapanervous mo naman ako, Miss Marian. Huwag ka nang gagalaw, huwag kang hihinga diyan. Magdire-diretso ka lang kasi maliwanag na joke. Go, Miss Marian.
Ayan. So, can you hear me now, ma'am?
Ma'am? Hello?
Yeah. You can start. You can start.
Go.
Okay. Sige. Without any further ado, please join with me as I walk you through the first ever project of Bacolod. Ang township by ito, so the Palm Estates in Talisay City. So, before po that, pasensya po po. Ako talaga yung connection ko ngayon, pinag-link na talaga. So, next slide, please.
Hindi siya clear. Miss Marian, hindi namin masyadong madinig talaga.
Hello? Ayan. Mas better po?
Yeah.
Alright. Sige. So, on the next slide. Ayan. So, Palm Estates is a 51-hectare mixed-use development that blends residential, commercial, and retail in one strategic location designed to be a city within a city. So, ganun po, kalaki at kalawak yung project natin, no? Sobrang generous din in terms of amenities and open spaces that families are sure to enjoy. So, you will definitely enjoy a cosmopolitan lifestyle. So, next slide po. Yung Palm Estates po is located between the cities of Silay and Bacolod, standing in Barangay Ilizares, Talisay City, Negros Occidental. This community is relatively easy to reach. It is not too far from the Bacolod-Silay International Airport and lies close to main thoroughfares. It can be accessed through Anthony Lizares Avenue if you're coming from Bacolod City proper, or through J. Pitong Ledesma Street if you're coming from Silay City proper. So on the left side, you'll see major landmarks with a distance in kilometers from the projects. Yung mga hospitals, malls, market, terminals, schools, restaurants, and recreation. So easily accessible din po siya. Next slide po. Okay. So ito po yung mga components ng township. Within Palm Estates, you will find a town center, yung may number 1, composed of retail, dining establishments, transportation hub, and even chapel. And at the back of the town center naman po is ongoing pa yung study kung ano yung ilalagay. So it may be a vertical or a horizontal residential project. Kaya may label siya na reserved for future development. Yung sa likod naman po, yung may mga blockings, yan po yung residential horizontal projects natin. At dahil nga si Philinvest wants to cater to a family needs with quality homes at prices gentle on the budget, we are introducing the Futura homes for the housing with 3 phases and also a socialized housing. Then we also have a huge central amenity area with an array of relaxing amenities and facilities, making it the ideal place to hang out and spend time with loved ones. Kung titira po kayo sa Palm Estate, I mean, andyan na po lahat, hindi mo na kailangan pang lumayo, everything you need is within reach. Next po. Okay, so yan po yung perspective of the town center. You can shop, pray, and bond with the family as Palm Estate gives you various destinations for leisure and convenience. Next slide po. So, that's the look of the township entrance. We'll have a entry marker of Futura Homes. And even if at the entrance, no, you will be greeted with a lot of palm trees. The next slide po. Okay, so as I've said, the commercial strip or the town center also has a chapel set amidst a variety of recreational facilities. Next po. Okay, other than the town center, Palm Estate gives you a central amenity hub with the following elements, no? Clubhouse with roof deck, a swimming pool and kiddie pool, an outdoor playground, an activity area and water feature, a jogging path, an events lawn with soccer field, a reflexology path, covered basketball court, and an amphitheater. Next po. Okay, so this is the rendering of the clubhouse and swimming pool. So this is where you can relax and nurture ties with your loved ones. Next slide. Okay, so now let me introduce to you one of Philinvest value for money communities, the Futura Homes Palm Estates, the place where your family's solid future starts. And this can be found within the sprawling Palm Estates. Okay, so this is the project overview. Phase 1 of Futura Homes Palm Estate is our first opening, or the first phase we launch, which covers an area of 11 hectares. It is a modern minimalist themed community. Our product offering are house and lots and lot only. For house and lots, you get to choose from 2 house models, the Amber Duplex and the Elisa Single Attached. I'll tell you more about this later on. Next slide. Okay, so this is Futura Homes Palm Estate Phase 1 Site Development Plan, practically designed to give residents a secure and comfortable lifestyle. It has a total developable area of 10.5 hectares with a total inventory of 768 units. Next slide, please. Okay, so moving into the product offering, as mentioned, we have two house models. One of this is the Elisa house model, ideal for starting families with a typical lot area of 84 square meter and a floor area of 34.20 square meter. So, pwede pa pong mag-expand kasi malaki pa yung area, but subject for approval based on the subdivision's restriction. So, this is a one-story house with a 2-bedroom and 1 toilet and bath, and our selling price is at 1.7 million. Next slide, please. Okay, so these are the different color schemes of Elisa house model. Next slide. Okay, so our second house model is an Amber duplex with a typical lot area of 84 square meter and a floor area of 40.31 square meter. So this is a 2-story house with 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a provision for a carport. Selling price now is at 2 million. And by the way, yung mga bahay po natin may seal of quality at na may tatak buhos tibay. Meaning may advantage po in terms of strength, fire resistance, durability, energy efficiency, noise control, and green construction. Next slide po. So these are the 3 color schemes of Amber duplex. Next slide. Okay, yan naman po yung floor plan ng ating Amber house model. Yan. So, naka-mirror po yan. So, on the next slide. Sa phase 1 po natin, may 4 po na tranches. So, as of the moment, we only opened tranche 1 and 2. Yung 3 and 4, napa-hold pa po yan. So, ngayon, yung 2 tranches na we opened has 444 inventories. Yung tranche 1, malapit na pong maubos. Okay, next slide. Ayan, so ito na po yung good news. Yung construction po natin is tuloy-tuloy even despite the pandemic, no? Yung land development of the main entrance, the loop road, and the access going to tranche 1. And the tranche 1 itself, patapos na po yung construction. We're at 98% and we're looking at end of October for completion. So, yan po yung mga aerial view natin. Next slide po. Yan. So, another good news kasi the site is now ready to accept housing. Magsisimula na po yung construction ng bahay. Sa pictures, makikita nyo po na tapos na yung excavation and clearing ng mga blocks. At anytime next month, may significant progress na po in terms of the structural. So, I just wanted to clarify lang din na may batching po tayong pina-follow sa construction. Kung makikita nyo po yung table, may different target delivery dates po yung mga blocks. The earliest that we can deliver the house is on March 2021. And of course, lahat po ng bahay sa tranche 1, 221 units po lahat yan, will be delivered all by next year. Pinakamatagal na po yung November 2021. Next slide po. Ayan. So, yan po yung latest development natin dun sa status ng construction. Okay. So, next. Ayan. So, yan po yung video. Makikita nyo po na meron ng loop road. May mga, tapos na po yung road construction natin, pati na yung sa tranche 1. Next slide po. Okay. So another good news na naman po, no? We were able to secure all the necessary permits from barangay clearance all the way to LTS as shown in the slide. Yan. So next slide po. Okay. So we were also able to secure all the building permits. That's why we are pushing and starting in full swing the housing construction. 581 units po yan. Next slide po. Okay. So if you're interested to invest, these are the different financing schemes that you can choose from. We have bank financing at 1090. We have in-house financing at 1585. We also have cash payments, deferred cash for 24 months at 0% interest, spot cash with 8% discount, or within 30 days with 5% discount. Okay, next slide po. Okay, so for the information of everyone, we also have an office in Bacolod, no? In case lang gusto nyo pumunta dun sa Bacolod. It's located in Josmon Building, 26 and 27 Lacson Street, Bacolod City. You also have, you may contact that number. That's the office number. Okay, next slide po. Okay, so before I end my presentation, let me share to you this quote, no, from Barbara Sher. As soon as you start to pursue a dream, your life will stop and everything has meaning. End of quote. And eto pa, hindi pa nagtatapos po dyan, no? May another good news pa po ako. So, ngayon lang po, kaka-approve lang, exclusive for this live broadcast, no? We are offering low reservation promo from 20,000, yung standard natin. Magiging 10,000 na lang po yun until today, starting today until September 30. So, you may want to avail with this promo. So, you may start reserving now. And, ayun po, yan po yung lahat ng yan po lahat ng project details natin. And, salamat po muli sa inyong suporta sa PhilInvest projects, and pasensya na po at hindi ko po makita yung video dahil nga po sa connection. But pasalamat po muli sa inyong pakikinig sa FB Live.
Yan, Miss Marian. Nakita ko para kasing Marian and Mai. Miss Marian, huwag ka muna aalis ha, kasi may mga pagkakwento. Congratulations! In spite of your very weak signal, you've done a great job tonight! Yay!
Nagawa ng paraan.
Ayan.
Diba? And you have brought us a lot of good news na talaga namang sabi ng mga nagchat-chat, yippee! Yan ang mga sabi nila doon. Shoutout muli sa mga taga Bacolod naman. Sobrang saya nila. Miss Mai, nung nagpunta kami dyan, ang maganda doon sa project natin, nakita ko siya, damuhan pa lang nun damuhan pa lang.
Yeah.
Na ngayon may mga daan na, no?
100%, almost 100% na yung land development natin.
Yeah, so next na yung mga bahay at meron ng building permit. Good news, no? Pero ang maganda yung location niya. Unang-una, nasa main highway siya na napakalaki. Anong highway ba yun? Yung ba yung going to the
airport. That's the circumferential road going to the airport.
Diba? Parang nasa gitna siya ng airport, project natin, and then city. So, ang ganda ng location talaga niya. Yun, very vivid pa sa memory ko nung inikot namin ito. Siyempre, sa labas lang kami. Meron lang tarpaulin na PhilInvest. But during those time, damo pa lang talaga po. No? So, ang maganda ngayon, Miss Marian, yung open ngayon, kung merong may gustong mag-invest dito sa Bacolod, anong phase ang open natin?
Yung tranche 1, ma'am, phase 1, yung dalawang tranche sa phase 1, yung 1 and 2.
Ayan. So, pwede mo ba kami bigyan ng idea bukod sa 50% off sa reservation fee? Wow, naman, thank you so much. Ito ba ay hanggang December 2020?
Ma'am, hanggang September 30 lang po muna tayo.
Dapat marami tayong papasko sa mga kababayang OFW. Di ba?
Oo. For po natin yan, ma'am. But for now, yung approved natin yun, 50% reservation fee.
Yan.
Oh.
Kapag halimbawa, in the most affordable, just give me an idea, no? Nagbigay ako ng 10,000. Ang kinuha kong bahay is yung pinaka-affordable, which is, ano pangalan nun? Elise ba yun?
Elisa.
Medyo English yung nasabi ko, Elisa. Yung Elisa is magkano?
Yung Elisa at 1.7.
Okay, 1.7 million yung Elisa. Nagbigay ako ng 10,000. Ang down payment natin is 30% deep down payment. 10% down payment?
10% po pag bank.
Yeah. So, ibig sabihin nito, kung nasa mga 1.7 million siya. Ama? Magkano ang affordable na down payment?
As low as 13,000 per month, ma'am.
Wow!
Dalawang bedroom na yon.
So, dalawang bedroom na yon as low as 13,000. So, ito yung promo natin. And nasabi mo kanina na by next year, mabibigay na ang bahay?
Yes, ma'am. Yung first delivery natin, March 2021.
Makakasama ba sa batches na first batch ng mga gagawin, etong mga units na open for sale ngayon? Makakasama
Lahat po ng tranche 1, ma'am, i-deliver po next year.
Wow! So basta sila ay nakapagbayad ng down payment and naaprubahan ng bangko, pwede na makuha ang susi ng bahay. Tama? Kahit hindi pa sila
Yes po, ma'am. Tranche 1 lang po, ma'am. Hindi pa po kasama yung tranche 2.
Ayan. Okay. So maganda. Napakaganda ng regalo natin ngayon sa lahat ng ating mga kababayang overseas Filipino. 10,000 pesos unang bigay instead na 20,000, no? Yan po ang kagandahan sa panahon ngayon dahil thank you pandemic, dahil sa iyo nagkaroon ng discount, reservation fee. Dito lang ako natutuwa sa iyo, 'di ba? So 10,000 pesos and then more or less 13,000 pesos ang monthly down payment for 1 year. At habang kayo ay nagbabayad ng down payment, 'di ba? Sinisimulan na nila ang tranche 1 housing. Yan. Baka meron ka pang good news na promo. Wala na ba? Baka naman 24 months to pay itong down payment, Miss ano.
Ihabol po natin yan.
Ha? Kung meron man, ay ipahabol mo agad sa kinauukulang mga overseas mo kasi
Yes,
kailangan
para another madami tayong good news.
maraming discount at maraming promo kasi panahon ng pandemic. Okay? Tingnan natin. Kung meron silang katanungan, ano ba yan? Nagtatanong kayo ng number ni Miss Maya at ni Miss Maria. Joke. Ito, sabi ng ating Freedom Business President, si Sir Ringo Anakan, Rich, sa ngayon, wala pang extension, newly approved pa lang. Wait for further announcement sa mga upcoming promos. Meron pa ba tayong further announcement? Naghihintay pa sila. Pero as of now, ang maganda, nagbigay na agad sila ng 50% discount sa reservation fee. Tama?
Yes po, ma'am.
Ito naman, Miss Marian. Siguro ito masasagot ni Miss Mai kasi ito talaga nasa Bacolod 24 hours of the day. Miss Mai, kaya mo to, Miss Mai. Mayroon pang may nagtatanong, Miss Mai, from Mara Merv. Yan. Can you tell us something about the accessibility? Paglabas ng project, meron ba yung mga jeep? Hindi ba mahirap kapag dyan kami tumira, pumunta sa city or pumunta sa airport?
For now, ma'am, wala pa siyang public jeepneys na makadaan sa sa project site. So, mostly private vehicles pa lang yung maka doon.
Makadaan.
Makadaan, yeah.
Yeah. Pero natatandaan ko, nung panahon na yon, may balita ako na ito na yung next city na i-develop ni Bacolod, itong lugar na ito. Tama ba? Parang may natatandaan akong ganun eh. Yung development.
Yes, ma'am. Most probably yan na po kasi yung mga development doon na sa bandang area na doon. Doon na lahat yung mga development ng Bacolod.
Yeah,
so, doon na papunta yung street na yun.
Very strategic ang location na to, kaya si Fininvest ay nag-invest dito ng 51 hectares kasi ang tinitingnan naman natin ngayon is not what's happening at present, but what are the future developments. And I heard that the next city will be here kasi dyan tinayo yung bagong airport. No? Malapit
yes,
lang. Mga ilang minutes, paglabas ko ng gate, ang layo sa palengke or doon sa public municipal building na pinakita kanina, ang ganda-ganda. Parang malapit lang yun eh.
Yung the municipal building, ma'am, ng 10 to 15 minutes drive.
Oo, kasi hindi
sa
naman
provincial capital Lagoon.
Hindi man ganun kalaki yung Bacolod City, no? 10 minutes to 15 minutes sa Lacson Street, no? Yung
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Yan, di ba? Sabi din ng ating territorial branch manager, sabi din niya, pwede natin ipasok si Sir Phil. Ipasok natin si Sir Phil. Hindi naman sira yung niya, yung internet niya. Ipakita din ko gwapuhan ni Sir Phil. Yan, Sir Phil. So, can you join us? Yan, Sir Phil. May sinasabi ka dito sa chat box natin na mga tungkol sa tanong na accessibility.
We're designing the place to be complete. No, that we're designing the place to be complete, and that includes transportation accessibility. In fact, my church dyan, my ang tawag doon, my school, my commercial area. So really, when you're investing in Palm Estate, you're investing for the future.
Yeah, and meron pa din dito, so thank you sa kadagdagang information. From Rich Umali. Sabi niya, may ilang kilometro papunta sa airport. Siguro alam ko mga 2 kilometers lang ito.
Almost 2 kilometers lang, ma'am. Malapit lang siya. Tama yon, mga 2 kilometers going to the airport.
Yeah, pwede nyo pong i-Google sa Waze or Google Map. Kitang-kita nyo po kasi tandang-tanda ko pa ang pagpunta namin dito sa Bacolod. Napakalapit niya. No? 2 kilometers away from airport, I think less than 10 minutes. Ano ka sa airport, diba? Kasi lang yun, dire-diretso lang. Tama?
Tama.
Less than 10 minutes.
Especially ngayon, walang traffic, di ba? So, 5 minutes, you're there already.
Ayan, Stephen, ipakita mo nga yung slide about the airport, yung mga nagtatanong about the location. Stephen, yan, ipapakita po niya sa inyo. Okay. So, andito yung project natin. Yan, dito yung project natin. Bacolod Sila International Airport, 3.1 kilometer. Ayan. So, ito yung highway, dire-diretso lang po yan. Yung Bacolod Airport Access Road, ito yung main highway na malaki. Dire-diretso lang po yan. So, 3 kilometers na andoon na po kayo. So, 3 kilometers, ilang minutes to? Mabilis lang po to kasi kanina tumakbo ko ng 2 kilometers. Dito lang paikot-ikot eh. Yan. Wag mo na tanggalin, Stephen, kasi may tanong din dito. Ano pong school ang malapit dito? So, Miss Mai, would you like to answer yung tanong? Anong school?
TUP Visayas, Technological University of the Philippines. That's in Talisay. Yan yung pinakamalapit.
PUP, nandito ba yan? Meron siya ditong schools. University of
Ayan, PUP Visayas.
Sige, Miss Mai, discuss your school.
Yung pinakamalapit, ma'am, is TUP Visayas. That's 7 kilometers away from our project site. That's in
Ayun.
Talisay.
But aside from PUP, we also have University of LaSalle.
Yeah,
Nasa mga-
University of St. LaSalle at the Bacolod proper naman po yun.
Ayun. And then St. Scholastica's Academy. Wow. Matter.
Ayun.
First. And
Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod, then STI, West Negros University. Yan
malapit.
yung mga schools na malapit lang.
Diba, usually kasi per kilometer, 1 minute lang yung sa sasakyan eh. So if they say, tama ba? Tama ba yung conversion ko? If they say 11 kilometers, that would be 11 minutes. So since the airport is 3 kilometers, more or less 3 or 4 minutes, andun na kayo sa airport. Sir Phil, tama ba yung conversion ko? Alam mo yung mga lalaki, mas magaling
Tama,
sa...
tama.
Oh, yan.
Kung kami mag-drive, 1 minute lang talaga yan. Kung kami mag-drive, di ba? So, no joke. It's quite near with all those schools. As per, well, hindi ako local doon, but usually when you drive, it's just a little over 5 to 10 minutes. At most ata, mga 15-minute drive.
Ayan. So, meron ulit tanong dito from Abu Dhabi. So, ongoing na po ba ang construction ng mga bahay? I think si Miss Marian can answer this para po ma-update ang mga investors natin. I think in-explain to kanina, Miss Marian, go ahead.
Yes po, ma'am. Isa po yan sa present ko kanina. Yung site po natin is ready na to accept houses, no? Kung makikita nila yung pictures ng slides ko.
Balik na
yung clearing and excavation. So, ongoing na po. By next month, magsisimula na po yung structural natin sa bahay.
Yeah, actually, yan, Miss Marian.
Yes po, ma'am. So, ongoing po yung construction natin sa bahay, ma'am. Tapos na yung excavation and clearing, so we're expecting next month structural na po.
Wow, and there is a delivery date na makikita nyo dito sa left side. So may mga target dates sila kasi ang pinaka-good news na nangyari ngayon, talagang itong bungad nila sa akin, they already have the building permits or construction permits. Kasi ito ang kailangan natin to start na yung mga construction, no? So, yan yung Miss Jill, I hope na nasagot natin and you can show the slide para may news sa ating mga investor dito. Yan. Ma'am, malapit ba ito sa LCC? Yan, kay Miss Mai naman to. Miss Mai, ang live na live from Davao, nakasama natin. Malapit daw po ba ito sa LCC?
Yes, ma'am. Malapit lang po yun sa LCC, ma'am.
Ano ba yung LCC?
La Consolacion College.
Okay. Akala ko mall. LCC is La Consolacion College. So mga ano din, mga 10 kilometers din, ganyan? 11?
Yung La Consolacion is malapit lang sila ng Colegio de San Agustin. So, more likely
10,
malapit lang po yun. Additional ka lang, ma'am, ng mga 3 kilometers from Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod.
Ayan. So, ito naman sabi ni Miss Ana May Aguirre. Sobrang bilis to airport, ma'am, kasi walang traffic yung access road. I agree, Miss Ana. Sobrang bilis talaga. Wala kang kalaban dun. One of the biggest...
Ano yun, May? 8 lane? Yung access road sa harap natin. Is that 8 lane,
Yeah.
no?
Oo, yeah. Almost
access road. Yeah.
Kaya po huwag kayong mag-atubili kasi ito po ay napakagandang proyekto. Yan, thank you daw. Wow, ang ganda-ganda ng location. So, yan, si Mr. Rich Umali, naku, mukhang interested siya. Ilang buwan daw po ba ang pag-aantay ng buyer sa pag-turnover ng bahay? So, yun po yung tanong niya.
Marian, can we answer that, Marian? Kasi Marian is in charge of the construction.
Marian,
Sorry.
explain mo lang ng konti yung proseso. In any case, nakatayo na yung bahay, paano nila matuturnover sa kanila yung susi?
Okay, yung requirement po, ma'am, una po is tapos yung down payment, approve po yung loan natin sa bangko, pag okay na po yun. Meron po tayong customer fulfillment na department, no? Sila po yung naka-assign para sa turnover schedule ng ating mga buyers.
Ayan. So, thank you, Miss Marian. So, yung pag-turnover ng susi, once na kayo ay approved na sa loan, may loan approval na loan take-out na, at nakatayo na yung bahay. So, wala tayong problema dyan. Madali naman yung proseso as long as, na-fulfill nyo yung dalawang yun, which is very important. The house is constructed at may loan take-out na sa bangko. And ang good news dyan, yung sa bank naman, syempre pa, andito po lagi ang Freedom Cares, which tinayo para sa ating mga kababayang overseas Filipino, di ba? Para matulungan kayo makapag-apply sa bangko habang kayo ay malayo. Di ba? So si Freedom Cares na po ang bahalang mag-ayos niyan. Ayan, ako, napakaganda ng discussion natin. Parang bumalik ako sa bayan ng Bacolod. And hindi po babalik talaga kami dyan. O, di ba? Meron akong tanong sa inyo. Ngayon po kasi, napakadaming nanonood sa inyo bago tayo mag-closing. Meron ba kayo, Miss Mai, saka Sir Phil, Marian, na dream country na gustong puntahan? Ako, marami mag-a-adapt sa inyo dito.
Oh. Hoy, okay ako dyan.
After the pandemic.
Okay ako dyan. Okay ako dyan. Kahit may
Okay ako
pandemic
doon,
pa,
ma'am.
okay ako dyan. Kahit may pandemic.
Yung isa nating bisita, gusto niya si Lemuel sa Paris. Naku, meron na din sumagot. So, open daw sila. Diba? Once dumating kayo, ay excited ng ating mga kababayan overseas Filipino na igala kayo doon. Sir Phil,
Uy, thank you.
Pwede.
tingnan natin kung may taga doon. Anong top of the mind country na gusto mo?
Japan and ramen. Yun na, Japan and ramen. Yun lang talaga nasa isip ko ngayon.
Japan! Shout out sa mga taga Japan! I'm presenting to you, Sir Phil, Territorial Branch Manager na Assistant Vice President. Dadalawin kayo. Ipapalam namin sa inyo. Shout out sa mga taga Japan. Nasaan ang mga taga Japan? Yan, nasaan ang mga taga Japan? Ayan, ikaw naman, Miss Mai.
Sa Paris na lang, ma'am. Di ba may nagsabi na welcome siya? Doon ako, ma'am.
Dalawa na ang aaragain ni Doris Organ. Sikat talaga si Paris. Ayan, si Miss Shia Padilla. Tanong mo, ang bilis, ang ganda-ganda pa niya, Sir Phil. Talaga naman, mga kababayan,
Welcome daw, oh.
very hospitable. Opo, sobra po. Wala pong, lahat po ng tao sa Japan, magaganda eh. Tuwing lumalabas sa Facebook, ang gaganda na laga nila. Ay, ikaw naman, Miss Marian. Miss Marian, ikaw.
Ako po sa Greece.
Oh, sa Greece daw.
Wala yata taga-Greece dito. Pero,
Sorry, Marian. Greece Cebu ka na lang, Marian. Greece Cebu.
Sa Athens po eh.
ayan. Naku, ang dami naman nag-welcome. Ang daming nag-welcome sa inyo. So, we are just a chat away. Ngayon po, ang nakakatuwa dito sa ginagawa natin ito ngayong panahon ng pandemic na nakukonect natin ang ating mga kababayan overseas Filipino who are active in freedom business sa mga leaders natin sa partner developer, which is the Fininvestland Incorporated. And this is a collaborative effort na we're not talking only business, pero tayo mga Pilipino, once kayo ay dumating sa mga bansang ito, we are just chat away and we will be very willing to help you. Yan! Most welcome mga taga-Bacolod! Ayan, wala daw ba may gustong pumunta sa KSA anytime po? Kahit talaga, puro mga...
Uy, sure. Okay ako. Nako naman.
Yeah, welcome po sa UAE. O, di ba? Ang babait talaga nito. Kaya po pag naghingi ng unit ng mga yan, mabait din tayo dapat ha, kasi all smile eh, tsaka promo. Yan. May taga-Egypt.
Dapat.
Ako gusto pumunta sa Egypt. Ay nako, sika muna, nalalayo tayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga overseas Filipino na nandito ngayon sa iba-ibang parte ng mundo. Sir Phil, any closing message? At grabe talagang sobrang sayo namin na nakilala ka namin. And really, see you again on our next 2 episodes, Iloilo and Dumaguete.
Yon. Yeah, actually, we're just very happy to meet everyone. This is our first time. Sorry, may mga bloopers, but you know, this is all straight from our hearts. I hope we see you in one of our PhilInvest projects, especially our project in Bacolod. So salamat po sa lahat, and I hope you guys stay very safe.
Yan. Thank you so much, Sir Phil. Thank you so much. Si Miss My Beautiful Goles naman.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. I hope mag-invest po kayo sa Bacolod. Hindi kayo magre-regret. Thank you and stay safe, everyone. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Marian. Miss Marian, batiin mo sila.
Oo, so muli po, maraming salamat no sa pag-attend at sa pagkikinig sa live broadcast no, kahit hindi niyo ako nakikita, naririnig niyo lang. So stay tuned for for a promo ulit no. So while wala pa po 'yun, you can grab the promo on the low RF, 50% discount po yung reservation natin. Ayun po, Miss Mai.
Thank you, Miss Marian. Thank you, Miss Marian. I hope you can chat your number. Feel ko talagang kailangan namin ng mga inquiries sa inyo. If you can chat your cellphone number to me, andito yung cellphone number ko sa ating chatroom sa loob. So this will be good news, 'di ba? Kapag kami ay nag-chat, 'di ba? So sana matulungan natin ang ating mga kababayang overseas Filipino na makamit ang kanilang mga pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling bahay at lupa, dream home sa inyong bayan ng Bacolod. So, isa mo ng picture sa amin tatlo dito. Sorry, Marian, wala ka. Sir Joseph, isa mo ng picture. Meron po kasi kami mga OFW na sigaw. Kasi ito ang pinapaglaban natin na sana lahat ng overseas Filipino umuwi ng free and rich. At kami ay lalaban, di ba? Para sa mission namin ito. Ito ang aming sign. Kita ba? Hindi yata. Yan. Laban! Yan. Sir Phil, kailangan lumaban ka. Hindi kami palaban sa area mo. Sige, ganito, Sir Phil. Laban! Ayan. Okay, yung laban na laban for Bacolod. Joseph, take 1, 2, 3. Laban OFW! Fritz your life! Yan. Thank you so much, Bacolod team. Thank you so much. Nice meeting all of you. It really feels good na hindi lang tayo sa email nagkakausap at nakikilala na namin kayo. At kilala na kayo ng buong mundo. Bye-bye! Thank you so much!
Bye! Thank you!
Thank you, Sir Phil. Keep in touch.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Marian, for not giving up. Ayan, so shoutout na tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At bago kayo magsi-alisan at magtrabaho sa inyong mga lugar, kumain ng tanghalian at magmerienda, mag-relax, huwag niyong kalimutan ang ating Fritz Mentor ngayong Biyernes. Magsama-sama muli tayo sa Freedom Fighter Camp. Yan, huwag kalimutan mga kababayan. So shoutout tayo, shoutout. Congrats again sa lahat ng mga investor dito sa Bacolod. At syempre pa naman, congratulations! Congratulations! Maraming salamat! Thank you sa lahat ng Freedom Business. Kayo ay nakakapakinig ng mga live na update at live na mga leaders at officers ng ating partner developers. I hope na may natutunan kayo. Tulungan natin ang ating mga kababayan. God bless everyone. Sabi niyo, Ganang Hill. Marinette Manalo from Milan, Italy. Thank you so much for watching. Marlon Pemuta. Laban! Si Jason Patungan. Congrats po. Lahat po ng natutunan ngayon, kahit alam po na mga trabaho kayo. Maraming salamat. So si Miss Linda Respe, congrats! Congrats! So invite ko kayo ulit ngayong Friday.
Lagi mong kasama ang iyong kamay.
Dito sa Freedom Business, tutulungan namin kayong matupad ang inyong mga pangarap na andito na po lahat. Ano pa ang hinihintay natin kung hindi ang magsimula ng lumaban? Salamat sa Josephine Requiz, Laban OFW 2020. Aba, Maan Gabriel, salamat po, Fritz Mentor Ted. Binabati ko yung mga taga-Chicago. Grabe, Egypt. Ano ba yun? Ang dami mga bagong lugar and I hope na matulungan po natin ang ating mga kababayan dito sa mga bagong bansa na ito na nasi-share natin ng ating mission na dapat lahat ng mga OFWs hindi uuwing gutuman. Yeah. Miss Marita Manuel, thank you so much! Diba? The ever-supportive Vice President, diba? Si Ringo Adacan, nandito din siya. Thank you so much, Miss Jacqueline Umelda. Huwag kalimutan next week, may bago na naman tayong pupuntahan matapos ang Bacolod sa next Wednesday. Ewan ko ba, lahat naman ng party sa Pilipinas, parang lahat developing. Kaya sure ako, by 2050, ang Pilipinas na ang tatalo sa US at China dahil tayo na ang number 1. Isipin nyo, lahat na pinupuntahan natin, ang daming good. Yan, Miss Renee May from Canada. Wow! Egypt, Chicago, Canada. Naliliyo na ako, nasusuka na ako sa biyaheng ito. Ang dami. Siyempre pa naman ang ating mga regular timer from Middle East, Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Saudi. Yan naman. At ang ating mga regular timer sa Europe, kung saan ako nagsimula. Italy, Paris, UK, Israel. Yan, maraming salamat sa pag-antabay. Sir Maynard Ryan, Portugal, thank you so much dahil lagi ka namin kasama. Hindi ko nababatiin itong si Kidek kasi lagi siya sumusumpot. Joke. Hi, Sir Arvin, architect ng Dubai. At huwag kalimutan ang Asia, Japan, Singapore, Brunei, Malaysia. Kung saan-saan pa kayo pumupunta. Yan. Tulungan ng ating mga kababayan. Hoy, ang Oman, hindi nakasama sa pagbati ko. Siyempre naman ang Oman, makakalimutan pa. Siya, share ng link na ito sa ating mga kababayan. Wala pang kalam-alam kung ano nangyayari sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Dahil ngayong Biyernes, lalakas muli ang ating mga katauhan sa freedom fighter ni Fritz Mentor Terence Wayling. At huwag kalimutan, sa darating na Miyerkules, tayo ay gagala naman. Babalik tayo sa norte, pupunta tayo ng Tarlac at Bulacan. Wow! Bye-bye! Good night, good night, good night! Ang sigaw ko lagi sa inyo, Laban OFW, Fritz your life! Ang kulit nyo, ang kulit nyo.
Kahit tamis na pinaghirapan, tagumpay ay pinagsikapan. OFW ka, Pilipino ka.